All right. I was looking for something sharp, but I couldn't find it. So I'm just going to use my bare hands. Now, and I've never heard of OLOy, but we're about to see what's up. I can't really give you an opinion on it because I've never used it before. I don't know what it's like compared to anything else, but this is how it comes, right? This is the pack. I'm so scared I don't want to touch it and mess anything up because all of this stuff is like the chips and it's sensitive, man. That's it right there. DDR5 RGB. Hope you can see it. Put that there. So I'm pretty sure that, whoa, each one of these is 64 gigs. That makes it 128 gigs total, I guess. Or do they come together? I'm not sure. For my advanced tech people, that's a little bit advanced for me, but I'm willing to learn. So if you know anything about DDR5 RAMs and I know RAM is like, from what I researched, because like, I'm telling you, I never researched the hardware about this stuff like I have before to like deciding to actually build this PC. RAM is like random access memory. So like when your computer's on and running and you're running programs and switching from this app to that app and like clicking things and going through things, the random access memory is like, I guess, what controls the speed of that. I might be mistaken, but that's what I think I researched. Like, you can't store anything on RAM. It's like short-term memory, right? Like if I turn my computer off, whatever the computer was using that like random access memory for, if I turn my computer off, it's just gone, right? So this is short-term memory, right? And we got two OLOy Blade Performance DDR5 RGB SSD. I think it's SSD. I'm not sure. It might not be, but I'm learning, y'all. I know that's what we got, right? So that's that product. I don't really have too much of a review because I've never used it before, but we're gonna get to it, right? You're gonna see how I install everything and everything like that. So let's put these bad boys back. Move on to the next product, man. If you liking the content, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, man. Overall, I hope you're learning something. Obviously, I don't want you to just be here. I'm not a show off. I want you to, see, you gotta be careful. I might be putting it in the wrong way. I gotta be careful, bro. It's not, when it doesn't fit the same way you put it in and it's like, damn, bro, what's going on? Let me be careful, y'all. Please. All right. I think I was trying to shut it down way too much and you just need space. It needs to have space. And I need to pay attention to how these products come out of the box so I could just be really delicate and careful with it. But DDR5 RGB Blade Performance by OLOy. Shout out to OLOy. Yeah. All right, moving on to the next product. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. RTX Eddie, I'm out on this video. Let's get it.